Welcome to Zeo Route Planner. In this video, we will learn how to use the Global Search feature. Global Search acts as a centralized tool for your delivery history. It allows you to find any stop, delivery, or route in just seconds. Instead of checking through multiple drivers and past routes one by one, you can pull up the exact information you need instantly. This makes it especially useful for answering customer queries, verifying proof of delivery, checking invoices, or resolving disputes without delays. When you open Global Search from the left sidebar, you'll see four main tools on the page: the filter dropdown, the driver selector, the date range picker, and the search bar. The filter dropdown lets you choose how you want to search. You can look up records by customer name, stop address, invoice number, stop ID generated by Zeo, or even by notes that were entered during deliveries. The driver selector helps refine your search. You can select an individual driver if you know who handled the delivery, or choose all drivers to run the search across your entire fleet. This makes it easy to track deliveries no matter how many drivers are involved. Once you are done selecting the drivers, simply click Apply. The date range picker gives you control over the time frame. You can select the start and end date for your search, apply the range, and immediately focus on the period that matters most. Once done, click Apply. Now let's see the search in action. For example, if you choose stop address, simply type the address you want to search for and click Search. The results will appear instantly. Each result card gives you a complete snapshot of the stop. You can see the customer's name, phone number, and email, along with the delivery status, exact timestamp, stop ID, the assigned driver, and any notes that were captured. If proof of delivery was collected, you will also see attached photos and customer signatures right there on the result card. You can also run a search by customer name. Select customer name from the dropdown, type the name you want to find, and click Search. All the stops linked to that customer will appear with the same detailed view like customer's name, along with the delivery status, exact timestamp, stop ID, the assigned driver, and any notes that were captured. If proof of delivery was collected, you will see attached photos and customer signatures right there on the result card. In the same way, you can search by notes. Just choose Notes from the dropdown, enter a keyword from the delivery or customer notes, and click Search. This is particularly useful for tracking special instructions, reported issues, or comments left during past deliveries. Once the results are displayed, you will also see the delivery status clearly marked for each stop. If the stop has been completed successfully and the delivery is done, the system will show a green success status right here. This gives you instant confirmation that the package was delivered without issues. If for some reason the delivery could not be completed, for example, if the customer was unavailable, the address was incorrect, or the driver marked it as undelivered, the status will instead show as a failure. This makes it easy for you to immediately identify problem deliveries without having to dig through multiple layers of information. From your results, there are several actions you can take. You can share the stop directly or open it in Playground. You can also click the three dots to edit, or download it as a PDF. Once you click on Download, the downloaded PDF provides a full report with all the important details, including the customer's name, phone number, and email, the delivery status, exact timestamp, stop ID, assigned driver, and any notes captured during the delivery. If proof of delivery is available, the PDF will also include photos and customer signatures immediately. This makes it perfect for audits, customer communication, or maintaining records. When you open a stop in Playground by clicking on the View option from Global Search, you can go even further. From there, you can view the stops on the map alongside the complete route. This is extremely helpful when a customer calls and asks for their order status, or when dispatch needs to quickly confirm the delivery sequence on a live route. To sum it up, Global Search gives you the ability to search by customer name, stop address, invoice number, stop ID, or notes, refine your results by drivers and date range, and instantly access all the details you need in one place. You can view, share, download, or track stops in real time, making your operations faster, simpler, and more reliable. That's how global search transforms your delivery management, and that's it. Happy routing with Zeo.